Are you puzzled by why we lionize people? Let's break it down like a samosa. So, what does lionize mean? It's when we treat someone like a superstar, making them the king or queen of the jungle. Imagine your favorite Bollywood hero, say Shah Rukh Khan. We totally lionize him. But where does the word come from? Well, back in the 19th century, people started calling famous folks lions because lions are seen as majestic and powerful. So, lionize means to give someone that kind of royal treatment. Picture this. Your friend cracks the toughest IIT entrance exam. You throw a huge party, post all over social media, and basically treat them like the king of the world. That's lionizing. So next time someone says they're being lionized, just remember, they're not joining the circus, they're getting the royal treatment. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be lionized too.